If your hair is still dry 2 days after wash day, it is not because you're not moisturizing, it is because you are sealing with the wrong oil. In this video, I will be breaking down the science of what oil actually does on your hair. Because there is a reason your hair isn't retaining length. So think of your hair like skin. When you moisturize, that is like putting water on your skin. But if you don't put lotion to lock it in, the water just evaporates, right? That is exactly what happens to your hair. When you use water, or let's say any humectant, that will give you moisture. Oil is the sealant that stops it from evaporating. But here is the problem: not all oils seal the same way. So today I am giving you 3 oils based on molecular size and how they interact with your scalp. I tested these myself, and these are the only 3 I use now. Hi queens, welcome back to the Great Garden. If you are new here, I am Annie, a medical student, and on this channel we talk hair science and also dissect a whole lot of natural ingredients. So make sure you subscribe and join the family. And to you all my amazing subscribers, thank you so much for your show of love and support. So without any further ado, let's dive into what I have for you. Oil number 1, grape seed. This is my everyday baby. Medically speaking, grapeseed oil has really small molecules and it is called a drying oil, meaning it absorbs fast and doesn't sit on your hair. Why does that matter? Because if oil sits on top, it blocks new moisture from getting in later. That causes buildup, and buildup causes breakage. So for braids, for nightly sealing, for fine fussy hair, grape seed is it. I just do 2 to 3 drops after hydration. That is it, and my hair is soft for days. Now, grape seed is great for the hair shaft, but what about your scalp? Because a dry, itchy scalp will also make you lose length. For that reason, you need something different. That is oil number 2, and it is jojoba oil. Okay, this one is crazy. Jojoba is the closest thing to the natural oil your scalp already makes. It is called sebum. From a medical perspective, when you use jojoba, your scalp thinks, oh, we have enough oil. So it stops overproducing and it stops being dry. It balances you. That is why if you have dandruff or itching, jojoba helps. I use this after wash day. 5 drops, massage into my scalp, not the hair, the scalp. It keeps my scalp calm for 2 weeks or thereabouts. Now, jojoba is light and balancing, but sometimes you need something heavier. Like on wash day, after deep conditioning, you need an oil that actually coats the hair and protect it. That is where oil number 3 comes in. But before I tell you oil number 3, I just want you to know this. If you've been watching my videos, at the end of every video, I always say that your hair is not important for survival, alright? So, whenever you are deficient of nutrients, your body will prioritize vital organs and your scalp and hair will suffer. This is why you have to feed properly, and this is why you have to hydrate properly. I would say this at the end of all videos, that you should not forget to water your hair. Why? Because the importance of water cannot be overemphasized. So you have to hydrate and you have to feed properly if you truly want to see growth. Alright, before retention happens. So if you want your hair to grow well and to grow at the right pace, you have to hydrate properly and you have to feed properly. Okay, let's move to oil number 3. Oil number 3 is olive oil. Now listen, olive oil is not bad, it is just misunderstood. Olive oil has big and heavy molecules, so it doesn't absorb. It sits on top and coats the hair. That is good for two things: for pre-poo and for sealing after deep conditioning. It protects the hair from protein loss during washing. But if you use olive oil every night, queen, it will cause buildup. Your hair can't breathe and you will get breakage. So the rule is olive oil should be used once a week or whenever you want to have a proper wash day. Like before your wash day, you use your olive oil. Then grape seed and jojoba can be used 2 times or 3 times a week. Now this one is very important. Castor oil and coconut oil for daily sealing is a no. Please, no, don't do that, queen. They are too occlusive. They will trap dirt and cause more breakage than growth. So you save them for treatment days only, okay? They shouldn't be used daily. So let's do a quick recap. Light molecules for 2 to 3 times a week. I mean grape seed and jojoba. Jojoba is for balancing your scalp. And use olive for heavy coating during wash day. My queens, please use the right tool for the right job and you will see your length retention go up. What are your thoughts? You can leave them in the comment section. Which oil are you using right now? And is your hair dry? I will tell you if you need to switch. And if you want me to do my exact rosemary spray recipe, you can comment rosemary. And that's a wrap for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There is a video on castor oil on this channel. I will be adding it to the description. Alright, you can go watch it and know why you shouldn't use castor oil daily except during treatment days. Alright, do all to subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, my ladies, do not forget to water your hair as always. Like I said, you need hydration in order for your hair to grow. May your hair be luscious and may your scalp be happy. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.